Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday, and a day before NFP, guys. I think you saw how the market was reacting. The market was reversing. I'm talking any pair that was that is against the dollar. It was selling. And when we check DXY, that makes sense. So yeah, that actually might give us a very nice entries because the market is reversing towards our support areas. But unfortunately, other pairs, they even broke out of our structure. So we will see what will happen. But tomorrow it's NFP, we will see what will happen. Maybe the market will be reversing. So let's check the economic news. Before we continue, before we continue, guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you are new, you know what to do. You know what to do. You know the streets of Xtrahot Forex. You know the streets of Xtrahot Forex. Today it's Thursday. We have unemployment claims. So that can move the market a little bit if maybe we're going to have some serious changes here. If maybe the actual is quite different from the estimate or forecast, that will give us some serious move, especially on gold. So I don't really see any other push that I don't see today. I don't really see much besides unemployment claims or jobless claims. So when we go Friday, we have a chance to trade the unemployment change from Canada and NFP from US around 3:30 on my time zone. I hope maybe you understand. So if maybe you want to just get enough information, you can also go straight to a CNBC and try to check what's really happening. There's so much stuff. Obviously, it's a news channel. There will always be something. So don't just follow it 100%. Why? Because there's always breaking news. So it means you'll be confused every day if you just go and check what's really happening here. But yes, sometimes you just check what's really happening, but that shouldn't be a decider. It shouldn't decide what you will be doing the whole day, but it can also help, right? So I hope maybe you will see on the screen. I will be sharing the prices that we offer our services, and there is a special for people who are going to join our lifetime signals for 450, and they also want mentorship. You can see mentorship is 350 and the lifetime signals is 450. So if you want that combo, you can just pay 450, which means you're saving $350. So yeah, and the mentorship is 12 months, so it means you're gonna learn, like seriously learn stuff until you make it. Make that decision now. It's still January. You've been changing stuff. Now it's time to learn. It's January, Feb. Maybe March you'll start to see what's really happening in the market, and you can be part of the team, and we can start to eat together. So as I need to update you with the market, you can see we are on DXY. Just as this thing was pushing up yesterday. Let me just do something like this. The market was pushing up yesterday, but what I like here is whether the market was still pushing up. Just check that. What do you see? You can easily see that now, even though the market was reversing, it's not really quite different from this point. And that's how the market moves, right? The market will reverse, but at the end of the day, the market is continuing with that trend. And that's what we see on DXY. For those who don't really understand DXY is actually a dollar index indicator. So it indicates the strength of the dollar, whether it's pushing up or down. So you should understand when you check other pairs. And another thing that I wanted to share with you is this one pair here, most likely it moves quite similar way, or it can dictate so many pairs in the market. Like where we are now, we are very close to the resistance. You will see how many pairs that are now on the resistance or on the support. They might be opposite. If maybe the dollar is pushing lower, it means Euro USD will be pushing up. but it will be going towards the support. GBP USD, it will be going to the support. Why? Because they are correlating. So by checking this, it might give you clue. Before you even check other pairs, you will mostly understand what's really happening, but you will see what I'm talking about. And while we're still talking about this, there is a channel that I'm trying to help people just to talk about stuff behind the scene, not actually about the charts. I will put the link on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to that. I think we are on 79 subscribers. So 10 people, if you don't really mind, you can just be part of that team. Just smash that and subscribe on that channel. I hope maybe that will help one or two, because people learn differently. Maybe 1, 2, 3 words there or statement that I'm going to say there, maybe they might change the way you see things, right? So yeah, so on DXY we can easily see that yes, the market is doing what? It's still going. Sorry, let me just draw exactly what I see there. You can see what's really happening. So what do you expect? So obviously we're expecting the market to do what? To push lower. But remember, today is Thursday. Tomorrow there is NFP. So which means the market might start to play around that area. We might not really see a bigger move today. And as I'm expecting to see the market pushing lower to respect this area. Why? Because I think NFP might be a little bit weak. NFP, if it's weak, it means the dollar will be losing some momentum, right? So that will be negative for the dollar. So I'm expecting to see the market going down. I might be wrong. The market, NFP might be positive. And if that is going to be positive with a bigger margin, it means we might see a breakout. Then we might start to see the market pushing to the upside. I hope you see that. So this stuff, you see how we analyze the market. Then it's things that you can learn in the market, and it's going to give you some it's going to be way too easier for you to decide whether to buy or to sell, and with confidence. You see, with confidence. The most thing here that we're going to teach you is to understand the market better, and to understand that there is losses. And once you start to understand that there is danger, you are now playing towards that, and you mostly see the danger coming from a distance, and you plan on that. And when you trade, you're not going to panic whether you're losing, because you're going to lose the amount that you were planning to lose or to risk. And when you make money, there is no limit to that. You can lock the profit, you can adjust the take profit, then the potential there is unlimited. But make sure that the limit is on the stop loss. I'm giving you some pointers that we go through in our mentorship, by the way. So this year is a very good year, guys, for everyone. If you start fresh, most likely December is gonna be very nice for you. So USD ZAR, you know what, I am worried about this one, because I was talking about it very nice, that the market is pushing to the upside. Where we are now, regardless of the dollar doing this and that, I said the market might be pushing to the upside. So guess what? 3 minutes later, 5 minutes, 3 hours later, I saw the market pushing to the upside. If we go on 4 hours time frame, you will see what I'm talking about. Let's see. So yeah, let's go there. Sorry. So you can see that the market was around this level when I was talking about the market pushing up. The time we were just doing the analysis. Guess what? The market did give us that. But you know what? This year is a very nice year. We still have few days, maybe 3 or 4 days in this new year. So the best thing that you can do is, when you miss an opportunity, don't try to fight it. Don't try to go there and there's those people who don't really like to miss. You see, sometimes miss some opportunities. Obviously, you can't miss everything, you see. So we missed this opportunity. We're not even crying. We will be waiting. And I like the fact that the market will be pushing up. And maybe this will give NFP a room to do it, for the market to continue selling again and going towards this support again. That's what I'm expecting. Remember, I've been talking about this. So tomorrow you can hold me accountable. I'll accept that. You know, we have to take chances here and there, but those chances, they will pay. They actually pay, you see. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting. The bigger picture here is quite straightforward. We are on this uptrend. I'm expecting to see the market pushing up, especially against the South African rand. But maybe later on we might see the market reversing. That is also possible. But I can't go against the trend, even though we say that NFP will do this and that. You see. So just because maybe the market yesterday was going down, it doesn't mean you should just now try to change your strategies. No. If you took a loss yesterday, stay out of the market. Yesterday, I sent, I think it's 2 signals. If I see that the market is going against us, we stay out of the market. Why? I'm trying to show them that if maybe we take 2 signals or 1 signal and they not performing very well, we stay out. Why? Because we don't really want to trade with our emotions. We want to trade what we see. If you said it's a buy and the market is going against you, what do? You just get out. You were wrong. The problem is, you know yourself, you don't really accept when you are wrong. And that is the enemy of winning. Know when it's enough. Know when, hey, I already lost 30%. Now I'm out. You're going to survive in the market. That's why you see us here. And you're still going to see us here. And that's how it is. It's discipline. So now on USD/JPY, wow, this one it's giving us some crazy moves. You can see that since the dollar was pushing to the upside, you can see that the market, since the dollar was weak, the market was going down very nice. But guess what? On the 7th point there, but you can see if maybe you were following this strategy, it means you were going to eat several times, yo. But where we are now, we can see that the market just broke out, and this shows that the dollar is gaining some momentum. We'll reach this level, so it seems like the market wants to push the upside. The market is changing the trend. So the question will be, is this trend already confirmed that it's an uptrend? Yeah, I can't say yes. I can't say 100% yes, but what I can say is, let's look at our previous maybe high. To me, I see, sorry. Excuse. Sorry. So to me, I see this area. There is also this one also, but I think since the market broke out of that, sorry, I will look at this one and say if the market is going to break this area, then I will definitely say no. Now I can confirm the market is now pushing to the upside. Why? Because we don't really want to just jump on the market and just fall for fake breakouts. It's not really a fake breakout, but the market might be adjusting. I used to teach my people, my student, about this. So what's really happening is the market might still come around this area and retest here or respect that area and keep pushing lower. That is not a fake breakout. That is called adjustment. The market is just adjusting the trend. So which means we will be drawing the trend like that. And there is nothing wrong with that. So now what we can do is let's mark this area and say if maybe the market breaks that. If the market can break this area, now we can say, okay, now it's time for the market to do what? To push to the upside. But if not, we're just going to relax because we know that trend can last very long. So this is just one is the start of the line. So you can see even here, there is so many opportunities. So we can't just jump like there's no more opportunities. No. So we will just wait. And if maybe there is another push, then we can just wait for that and jump on that buy, if the market will be doing that. But what I know is tomorrow it's NFP. Things might change very, very quick. Things might change very quick. So this is what I was talking about on DXY. You saw DXY was on that resistance. Look at this. Look at Gbpusd. It's also on this resistance, but GBP seems to be doing what? Seems to be trying to continue with that uptrend. You can see we had this pending order, buy pending order in the group. I hope my people, they did hold that because that it's on a smaller profit. Unfortunately, I did not really take that. I was trading Nasdaq and I also took Euro USD. Hey, the market was just selling. I just stepped out of the market and just relaxed. It's still early. It's still early. Sometimes the market can do that. So, but on GBPUSD, we can easily see that yes, the market is giving us some nice bullish structures. So that it means around number 4, you can see number 4 there. Obviously, the market is continuing with what? With this bullish move. So if the market doesn't really break, it shows that the market is not really breaking. So it means that the market will be pushing to the upside. Unfortunately, it's respecting this trend. So yeah, that's what we see. That's what we see. Then it's a good structure. So if you got the market, this is what I was talking about. If you got the market here, sometimes you will think that, oh, the market is playing games here and there. But if you check this on a bigger structure, you can see that now the market was just going towards this support area, and it seems like the market is respecting that. But today, even though we see that the market is respecting here, I'm not expecting a bigger push to the market. Maybe tomorrow that will happen. Maybe the market around NFP, we will start to see those nice moves. The market will be playing around. I guess the market will be just doing its thing. I hope you understand, right? So yeah, we are still on that uptrend on GBPUSD. Yeah. So this is what I was talking about. Let me show you. Let's go back. We are not in a hurry, guys. When you want to eat, when you want to make money, you can't be in a hurry. We are on EURUSD. So check this. Check this. We are on this resistance where I think the market will be going down. This is DXY. So obviously we expect the market to push lower, right? That's why I'm saying this actually will show you what will happen with other pairs. So let's check EURUSD. EURUSD is doing the opposite, but it's doing what? It's about to push the upside. I think also GBP, already GBP is also pushing to the upside. You can see that. So that gives you something. That gives you something. So now let's go straight to EURUSD. Now on EURUSD, you can see that, yes, the market is on this. I have to send this signal. I think we had a signal yesterday. Hey, the market kept pushing lower around that level. Sorry, yeah, around this level, because we had that resistance and I thought maybe the market was going to push to the upside, right? But the market did not really respect that. But as we know, just because the market did sell there, it doesn't really mean that the market was changing the trend. The market was not changing the trend. The market was just going towards the stronger support, which is actually a bit lower. The market, that area is very low, so we don't have to say, oh, 1 2 3. No, if you took a loss, you took a loss. That is part of the game. We can't run away from that. But just because you took a loss, we can't say you don't really make money in the market, right? So because I know there's people who can say I took a loss or I lost, they will take the whole year to say that. But we know, right? So yeah, we took a loss there. I took a loss because I entered early. Mostly when I send the signal, I jump early before the market pushes up. Then the market pushed lower. Now I see that, oh, the market was going towards the support area, and I see if you can listings trying to respect that. So which means we might start to see the market pushing to the upside. Yes, I will be sending that signal. Then yeah, I think, but I know if we send that signal, it's going to make enough people to panic there, because I don't think we're going to have a proper move. The market will be just going up and down. We're expecting some serious news. Remember, it's tomorrow, next week it's CPI, and it's just going to continue like that. I hope you see. So we are still on this uptrend unless the market breaks this area. If the market breaks that support area, then we're going to think twice and say, oh, maybe the market it's doing its thing now. Maybe the market wants to do it. The market wants to push lower. So let me try to be as quick as possible. It's like this video is getting longer and longer. So what do we see here? We see that yes, the market is actually on a nice uptrend on gold. But where we are, I like this because remember I said NFP might push lower, which means NFP can be weaker, and that will make other pairs like gold to push the upside. It seems like gold will be doing the same thing. What do you see here? I think gold will be trying to do what? To push lower, maybe even if we don't really reach this support area, but tomorrow we might push up. I really welcome this sell, and then that is something that we've been waiting for, that I am expecting to see a very proper buy tomorrow, so that you have to just take everything out. Sometimes, guys, when you lose, this is the power of understanding fundamentals and technicals, which I talk about it on this other channel that I've sent there. Sometimes, if maybe technical gives you lemons for 2 days, like yesterday, I know that I can recover that tomorrow on NFP. I might be wrong, but mostly I'm going to recover that. Mostly we recover that with fundamentals, or if maybe you lose on fundamentals, you can recover that with technical. So we use them. I don't say I trade only fundamental or technical. I trade both because they all go together, right? So yeah, I think this resistance here, it doesn't really matter anymore. We're gonna remove that. But the best way is just stay out of the market. Let's wait for the market to do its thing, and maybe the market will end up reaching this level here and we can continue buying. Yes, I'm still like seriously bullish on gold, but for now it's better for me to stay out. So on US30, we can easily see that yes, the market is pushing to the upside. This is an uptrend. Where we are now, we can see that the market reached the highest level, then we call that resistance. So on this one, I think everything's just straightforward. I'm waiting for the market to reach this support area. It's going slower. It doesn't really care what's really happening on on Nasdaq. Nasdaq has been selling, but US30 has been seriously solid. So you can see that, yeah, the market is going slower, it's going down. But the reason we don't really sell here, guys, we don't really go against the trend, unless if maybe just hitting and run. But at the end of the day, that will catch up with you and you're going to lose one day. So the best thing is to wait for the market. Actually, you know where the market might respect. So it's much better for the market to wait for the market to reach this area and you will be ready. And you're going to have confident holding even further until the market reaches this resistance again. So until tomorrow, I think the market will be selling and will be ready to take that buy, unless if NFP disappoint us. So, but we don't really like disappointments, right? So now we are on Nasdaq. What's really happening on Nasdaq? You can easily see that now the market, it was pushing up very nice. It was pushing up very, very, very nice. Guess what? The market was selling, seriously selling. We had some buy pending orders. The market kept pushing lower. Fooled us around this level. I thought maybe the market wanted to push the upside. Guess what? The market is now pushing even lower. But for those who know, Nasdaq can change very quick. Nasdaq can actually reverse aggressively very quick. So yes, I see that the market just broke out, and I like to trade what I see. Every time I want to trade what I see. And what I see now is I see that the market just broke out. So which means there is a chance that the market will continue with this downtrend. But there is also a chance that the market might be adjusting. We might end up drawing something like this in a few days, you see. Then I think, but the best way is to let's wait for NFP. If maybe we're gonna continue, it will be the start of this downtrend. I'm not going to rush on that. So yeah, the best thing is to wait and see. If NFP is not positive, if it's not positive, which is going to be negative, it means we might see the market pushing up. If not, we will see the market starting to push even lower. Then that will confirm the downtrend and we will start to follow that downtrend, right? So let's see what we can get on other pairs like S&P 500. S&P 500, I like what I see here. So that shows that maybe Nasdaq, that structure is not really correct. Or just because it was too aggressive. Because on S&P 500, we can easily see that we are still on this support area, not yet broken out. So it means maybe on that Nasdaq, we need to do something. Or it's fine like that. Maybe the market will be pushing to the upside after. So as we repeat, guys, you have the chance to give yourself some discounts on this prices that you see there, except 1 month, which is $30. So which means you can just give yourself some discounts. But if maybe it's a $150, obviously you can just come and say, Kenzo, I have $50. That won't be okay. Just be fair. I think if we can call that, be fair, and then you can be part of the team. Give yourself some discount. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo. I'll see you on the next one. All this video is already very long, but it's information, right? Bye.